Hello, and welcome to PodSpeaking English, the podcast for learners who want to improve their English skills easily and happily. I'm Jerry, your guide on this journey to help you speak English more fluently by developing one small habit each day. In our episodes, I will speak slowly and clearly so you can easily follow along and practice speaking. Today, we will talk about 7 essential habits to help you become fluent in English. These habits will allow you to speak naturally in just 15 minutes a day. Even if you have a busy schedule or feel that fluency is far away, you don't need years of formal education or to live abroad to become fluent. Many people think that fluency takes a long time or requires expensive resources. Instead, you just need these 7 daily habits, small but powerful steps that you can take in only 15 minutes. Over time, these habits will help you become confident and fluent in English, fitting easily into your daily routine. Let's explore why these habits are effective. Fluency is not just about memorizing grammar rules. It's about speaking naturally, like a river flowing through a landscape. These 7 habits require only 15 minutes each day. That's short enough to be easy, but strong enough to help you improve. They include listening, speaking, thinking critically, and using English in your life, guiding you from hesitant speech to smooth conversations. No matter your current level, these habits will help you feel less shy, improve your pronunciation, and enjoy the language more. Today, we will practice together for about 20 to 25 minutes. You will have plenty of chances to repeat and try speaking. You are growing your fluency skills. Let's take time to care for that growth. We will look at each of these 7 habits in detail, using examples to help you understand and make them your own. Let's get started. Habit number 1. Start your day with a voice warm-up. This initial habit is essential for awakening your speaking muscles each morning, much like sunlight gently coaxing new leaves to unfurl. Dedicate just 2 minutes to articulating simple affirmations aloud. This practice not only boosts your confidence, but also establishes a positive mindset for the day ahead. Let's practice together. Repeat each affirmation slowly and warmly. Today, I speak English with ease. Your turn. My words flow naturally. Now you. I am growing fluent. Please repeat. Reflecting on my own journey, I began this habit standing in front of a mirror each morning. Good morning, world. I am ready to learn. Initially, it felt foreign, but before long, I noticed my voice became stronger and I was more prepared for whatever the day might bring. Try it now. Pause for a moment and warm up with 3 affirmations. Speak for 30 seconds. Habit number 2. Echo daily sounds around you. In this second habit, immerse yourself in the daily sounds that surround you, whether they are snippets from conversations, music, or radio broadcasts, and imitate them. This exercise serves to train both your ear and your tongue, helping you attune to the natural rhythms of English, similar to how rain nourishes a garden. Let's repeat together. The birds are singing outside. Now your turn. I hear the wind blowing. Repeat. Echoing helps me flow. Again, please repeat. Thinking back, I recalled mimicking a weather report. Today will be sunny with clouds. Practicing this regularly significantly refined my accent and delivery. Now, take a moment to echo something you hear around you. Habit number 3. Think aloud about one object. For this third habit, choose any object within your reach and describe it aloud in English, softly articulating your thoughts. This exercise helps link your mind to the English language without the need for translation, much like roots reaching deep into the soil for nourishment. Let's practice. This cup is blue and warm. Your turn. The book has many pages. Repeat. Thinking aloud grows my skills. Please repeat. In one example from my experience, I described my house key. It's metal, shiny, and has the power to open doors. This habit shifted quiet moments into valuable practice opportunities. Now describe an object near you for the next. Habit number 4. Read and retell a short line. For the fourth habit, locate a brief sentence from a book, app, or article, read it aloud, and then retell it in your own words. This practice sharpens your retelling skills, akin to branches of a tree extending outward and broadening your linguistic reach. Let's repeat together. The cat sleeps on the mat. Now retell it. A cat is resting on a soft mat. Repeat. Retelling makes me natural. Your turn to repeat. From a story, when I read the line, "The sun rises," I retold it as, "Every morning the sun comes up bright." This exercise expanded my ability to paraphrase spontaneously. Take a moment to read and retell a line. Habit number 5. Gratitude echoes at noon. Around midday, take a moment to express 3 things you're grateful for in English. This practice cultivates a sense of positivity and expands your vocabulary, the way flowers bloom in a vibrant garden. Let's echo together. I'm thankful for my friends. Your turn. Gratitude brings joy. Please repeat. This habit sparks fluency. Again, let's repeat. For instance, I would say, I am grateful for coffee, sunshine, and the book I'm currently reading. Echoing these sentiments not only uplifted my mood, but also enhanced my expressive abilities. Now, take a moment to share 3 things you're grateful for. Habit number 6. Role play a quick scenario. In this 6th habit, envision a simple situation, such as ordering food, and verbally engage with both sides of the conversation. This practice prepares you for real-life exchanges, akin to vines growing stronger and more complex. Let's try this. I'd like a sandwich, please. Sure, here it is. Now repeat. Role play builds confidence. Your turn. In one instance, I role-played a shopping scenario. How much is this? It's $5. This made actual conversations feel much more natural and approachable. Now, role-play a greeting or a simple exchange. Habit number 7. Evening review and echo. As your day concludes, spend a few moments reviewing one new word or phrase. Echo it in a complete sentence. This reflection reinforces your learning, akin to harvesting the fruits of your labor. Let's say together, the word vibrant means full of life. Repeat. Reviews seal my learning. Please repeat. For example, I reviewed the word patient by stating, I am patient with my progress. This practice ensured I ended my day on a positive note. Now, take a moment to review a word you've learned. Now, let's combine all 7 habits into a cohesive 15-minute routine to cultivate fluency. Repeat. These habits grow my English garden. Your turn. Fluency comes naturally. Repeat again. For instance, I would say, I am grateful for coffee, sunshine, and the book I'm currently reading. Combined reflection. My journey toward fluency flourished from morning warm-ups to evening reflections, each habit serving as a seed that transformed into effortless speech. Final practice. Outline your 15-minute routine by incorporating all 7 habits. Speak for 2 to 3 minutes. What remarkable growth you've accomplished today! You've planted the seeds of 7 essential habits that will foster natural fluency in just 15 minutes a day. Continue to nurture these practices and watch your English skills blossom. Share your language journey with others and invite them to cultivate their own garden of learning. This is Pod Speaking English. I'm Jerry, cheering you on every step of the way. Keep flowing, keep speaking. Goodbye. Goodbye.